Hi, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Have you ever thought about making extra cash or having a passive income while promoting something that you actually love? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful business model which allows individuals like you to earn money from your home by promoting other people's products and services. It's a win-win situation as you get commissions on every lead or sale you generate, and the owner gets more and more customers through your efforts. Trust me, it's a fantastic opportunity to make money online. So if you have a following and even if you have a circle of peers, you can be an affiliate of Translate.Video and earn up to 10% on every purchase from your referrals. And the best part is, even your referrals will get 10% off from their first purchase. So they will feel like a princess as well. Let me show you how you can be an affiliate of Translate.Video.
To become an affiliate of Translate.Video, first go to our website from the link below and scroll right to the bottom. Here in the products, you can see the affiliate option. Click on that. You'll go to a form where you'll have to fill in some details and just simply click on sign up. After signing up, you'll get an OTP on your email. Once you put in the OTP, this is how your dashboard will look like. You can copy your link from here and you can share it with your peers, your following, and all the people around you. Now here you can see all your leads and conversions. Once they sign up to the website and start using the tool, once they make a payment, they'll be counted as a conversion. So every payment that your referral will make, you'll get a 10% commission on all of the payments, and your referrals will also get 10% off on their first purchase. So this is how easily you can become an affiliate of Translate.Video and start earning passive income.
Take the first step towards becoming an affiliate marketer and start earning money by promoting services of Translate.Video. Remember, success comes with dedication, hard work, and a genuine desire to help others. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.